Herbert Peabody and how yogurt is made. Hey, it's Herbert Peabody. It's an exciting day. Look, it's a letter from Herbie's niece. Let's read what Clementine has to say. Dear Uncle Herbie, remember the yummy yogurt we ate? I wanted to find out how it was made. So I decided to investigate. Some yogurt is made with cow's milk, which people milk from the cow. The yogurt needs to go through fermentation with an ingredient called culture. Here's how. We start with spoonfuls of yogurt we already have. Its good bacteria fuels the fermentation. We add some water to the batch and shake up our ingredient combination. We add our first cup of powdered milk. This yogurt mixture is looking dreamy. We shake it, shake it, shake it up. Now add the second cup to become super creamy. Next we take a stick blender and blend our mixture until it's smooth. We add filtered water to the brim and do one last shake it move. Our mixture needs to stay snug and warm for the good bacteria to grow. A grown-up pours boiling water into an insulated container and we pop in our mix like so. We secure the lid to keep in the heat and set a timer and wait. Our bacteria grows and multiplies overnight and turns into yummy yogurt. It was super great. Sending lots of love from Clementine. And we want to say, we can't wait to see you on our next adventure